Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple hairstyles. First you have to tie the hairs, roll them and fold it upward. Fix it using the clips and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Roll your hairs upward, now tie it like this. Fix a clutch on the hairs, put the bun pin by rolling down and your bun is ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs and then fold it upward like this. Fix it. Now put this bun pin on the right side like this to fix it and then put some clips around to make it tight and your hairstyle is ready. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs and tie a ponytail. Now take small section of the hairs, roll them and fix them equally on the three sections of the clips. Now tie them together on the top, roll it down and fix it using the hair clips to make a bun and your bun will be ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now take this hair clip, roll it around the hairs and then put it like this to make a bun. Fix it and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs, take it and then rotate it like this. After rolling the hairs, we will put this hair clip. Now divide the hairs into three sections and put them inside equal sections like this on the top of the clip. Now pin it and then tie the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs. Now after tying it, we will roll it or you can just roll around the hairs like this and then put the bun clip. After putting the clip, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs or the hair rubber band like this. Now put this bun pin. Now put the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it. And then your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.